YouTube, this is Avril the Gemmy and other hunter, and what you have in front of you is something really awesome. What you have in front of you is the new for 2024 10-foot tall Gemmy 2024 10-foot tall giant magic cat inflatable. That I got this thing at Walmart for $114.97 if we count taxes. I don't know if it's available also to Walmart USA, but I got it at Walmart Canada. And like I said, here's the box. Here's the back of the box. The proof that this thing is made by Gemmy is this. The air-blown inflatable logo on the box. There will be a video about my Halloween display for 2024. Can't wait to film this thing. Anyway guys, I'll pause the video. I'm gonna take it out of the box and I will inflate it, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, now it's all taken out of the box here, so let's plug it in. I'll be back when it's completely inflated. Well, here it is. It's completely inflated. You can see the pink bow tie, green eyes, and magic hat with a clover ace, 4 cards in his hand, a white rabbit on his hat, and his cape. I really love this design. It's one of my favorites for this year. Anyway guys, that will be it for the review of the Gemmy 2024 Halloween Inflatable Magic Cat. So I say bye.